Napa's known for being pet friendly. From the wineries, the restaurants, to all the outdoor patios, Napa loves its pets. My name is Jammir Gray, and I'm the executive chef of Compline in Napa, California. We specialize in contemporary California cuisine utilizing local ingredients. One of our most popular dishes is our porchetta. It's made with Hobbs pork belly, a bacon jus, and local quince and pomegranates from our farmers. Another popular dish is our Bodega Bay rockfish. It comes with a delicata squash salad and a beurre rouge. Napa's very known for being pet friendly. One of my favorite places to watch pets is actually right in front of the restaurant at Milo Friends. Everybody brings their dogs out, they're all playing, and it's the most adorable thing ever. So if you're ever in Napa, come to Compline where you can get a bite to eat and a glass of wine with your pet and enjoy the city.